Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. Standing here under the shining lights of this grand showroom is not just an aircraft, not just a machine, but a vision of speed, strength, and future dominance in the skies. This is the Eurofighter Typhoon 2027, Europe's most advanced multi-role fighter jet. A creation that merges cutting-edge engineering with the ambition of nations. Its presence alone commands attention, its polished surface gleaming beneath the spotlights, casting a reflection on the glossy floor that doubles its aura of power and beauty. The Typhoon 2027 is more than a fighter, it is a declaration of Europe's place in the future of aerial warfare. The nose of the aircraft, sharp and sleek, points forward with authority. Inside lies an advanced radar system capable of locking on to multiple threats at distances that keep opponents far from striking range. Above it, the cockpit canopy glimmers like a jewel, and within that glass dome rests the heart of the aircraft's intelligence. Here, a pilot is not merely flying but commanding. With next-generation avionics, wide digital displays, and a helmet-mounted system that tracks vision, the Typhoon becomes an extension of the pilot's body and mind. Each glance, each command, each instinct flows directly into action. Moving along the fuselage, the body of the Typhoon reflects the precision of its design. Crafted with lightweight composites and alloys, it achieves a perfect balance between strength and agility. Every curve has a purpose, every surface is shaped for speed, every detail engineered for efficiency. The wings extend with symmetry, designed not only for lift but for adaptability. Under their shining surfaces are weapon stations, ready to carry guided bombs, air-to-air missiles, and electronic warfare pods. In the showroom they rest silently, but in battle they represent choices, strategies, and dominance over land and sky. The landing gear stands firmly on the reflective floor, wheels gleaming with the strength to withstand the crushing forces of combat operations. They are built to take this machine from short, rugged runways into the skies of battle and to bring it home again. Even under the weight of heavy payloads, beneath the wings, weapons glisten under the lights. Lined up like silent sentinels, they are still now, but they carry within them the power to change the tide of war. The Eurofighter Typhoon is the result of unity. The United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain combined their resources and expertise to design and build it. It is not just a jet but a symbol of cooperation and shared ambition. In 2027, this aircraft takes on new upgrades, from engines that provide more thrust and endurance to radars that detect threats with greater accuracy, to stealth coatings that make it harder to find and harder to target. Each of these improvements ensures the Typhoon is not only a fighter of today but also a weapon of tomorrow, ready for challenges that lie ahead. From the side, the long wingspan reveals the grace of its structure. On each hardpoint rests the potential of firepower, weapons that make it as effective against enemy fighters as it is against ground targets. This is what makes it a true multi-role aircraft. It dominates dogfights with agility and precision, it conducts strike missions with accuracy, and it patrols the skies to ensure security. It adapts to every mission, transforming effortlessly from defender to attacker, from guardian to enforcer. From the rear, the twin engines shine beneath the showroom lights. They are the powerhouses that push the Typhoon past Mach 2, giving it speed to outpace threats and agility to control engagements. They allow the jet to supercruise, flying supersonic without afterburners, conserving energy while maintaining dominance. The twin vertical stabilizers rise like towers, completing the unmistakable silhouette that has become a symbol of modern European air power. In stillness, they radiate authority. In action, they deliver unmatched control. But the Typhoon is not just about raw speed and firepower, it is also about survival. Advanced electronic warfare systems allow it to jam radars and confuse missiles. Countermeasures like flares and chaff protect it from enemy weapons. Its agility and stealth features ensure that enemies cannot easily lock on or engage. It is not only the hunter but also the survivor, designed to return safely after every mission. Inside the cockpit, Every element is designed for dominance. Helmet-mounted displays allow pilots to target enemies with nothing more than a glance. Voice controls give them immediate command. Wide digital panels provide complete awareness of the battlespace. In 2027, these capabilities expand further with integration into a network of drones and future combat systems. The Typhoon becomes more than a jet, it becomes the central node of aerial combat, commanding allies, controlling unmanned systems, and ensuring total dominance. As the showroom lights shift across its metallic body, the Typhoon seems alive. Each angle shows a different face. From one side a sculpture of beauty, from another a predator poised to strike. The silence in the hall magnifies the sense of anticipation, as if at any moment its engines will roar to life and it will leap into the sky. It is a machine at rest, yet it radiates movement, potential, and authority. The Eurofighter Typhoon is more than steel and composites, more than wires and circuits. It is a message that Europe is ready, capable, and determined. It represents the unity of nations, the progress of technology, and the vision of a future where control of the skies is vital to peace and security. With its upgrades in 2027, it will not only compete with the best in the world but stand as a leader, a benchmark of what advanced aviation can achieve. As the spotlight narrows back onto its nose, the Typhoon points forward, like an arrow aimed at the horizon. It looks into the skies of the future, not just prepared but destined to lead. In this showroom, it is silent and still, yet its presence is louder than words. The Eurofighter Typhoon 2027 is Europe's advanced multi-role fighter jet, a perfect balance of speed, power, and precision, a guardian of the present and a promise of the future.